Right, go.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. It's Amy and Oscar. Now you might be wondering, who are these guys? Yeah. Well, we are YouTubers at the moment. Well, we might not actually become any really because we don't know how to post it. But anyway, today what we'll be doing is slime challenge. We will actually. And yeah, let's just birthday today. And I'm really excited. The only reason we got to do these videos is because I got a camera from my mum. Say hello.
Hello.
Usually you
Happy
turn
birthday.
Thank you. Usually you turn the camera around.
Oh, do I? Hello, happy birthday, Oscar.
Thank you. So yeah, let's just see how it goes.
Let's begin.
So, I need some this first. Hard. I'm using this. We need this first. Mimi. Now usually you want to spread it out just to... It looks kind of satisfying.
Oh, we got some help.
Oh, we've got company. Aye, Mimi, really you should put it all in the bottom of the bowl or else it won't activate when you mix it. Because there'll just be loads of glue. Mimi, turn it round because we want to see how much glue's left. Still quite a bit. Do it until it's up to, like, how much activator is there? So if I quickly check how much activator there is. Alright, it's only... Mum, do you just pour it over? Or... Is that enough?
I don't know, I've never made it.
Is that
I guess
enough?
so.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Do you put a drop in? Put a drop in and then, yeah. Can you do this now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Mimi! That's a drop, isn't it?
Put some more in. Squirt some in.
Maybe that's probably enough because we don't know how powerful this activator is. Usually you only want to put one drop just to see. Where's my little... Oh, here. I might put... Alright. Mum. So do I put a bit on my spoon or?
Scrape some out, babe.
Yes, it is actually a little bit hard. I'll see that. But he's got the lid.
Security.
Maybe. We need to come to like doing her fingers up.
Oh.
Maybe do you mind if I quickly borrow yours? Can't find Winnie's probably got my... Oh, Winnie's got her hands all in it! Look! Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. I'm not sure if this will work. Put it on my spoon. Okay, Mimi.
Right, you got to scrape it out. Like I told you, I gave you a stick.
I know, but I think Winnie's grabbed it. No way. Mimi, can I borrow yours? I know, because I still need to use it. Oh, Mimi. I'll just use the end of my spoon. Oh, that's so...
No, don't. I wouldn't do that because you'll get it on your hands. You need a stick. You've got to use a stick. It's thick.
Mimi, not that much. It's really powerful.
Right, there you go. Now use that one.
No, wait. I want to use this one quite.
No, don't mix them.
You can. It just makes a different colour.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to use both. I want to see what.
What, to make brown?
No. Mom. Right, you can use that now. Now to put some drops of my activator. Too much. I think that's enough. Oh, that looks cool. It doesn't look brown. When you mix it right. Okay, that's enough. I think I need a bit more glue. Where do we put this now? Because it's got on.
Just put it on the table for now. I'll wipe it in a minute.
Yeah.
An activator.
There we go. This is kind of making a little purpley colour, but like I don't want it too dark. No, the activator isn't very powerful. No, then I need some activator. As you can tell. Just start mixing a little bit. Right. Maybe not that much. It's not activating that much. I think if I put a bunch of glue in and then a bunch of activator, because like I think putting more glue in is what making it like. Let's see how much there is. Almost half. Oh, but I need a little bit more. It's a long time. Maybe just beware there is no lid. Oh no, I think that's a bit too much. I doubt it. Actually,
More activator.
It might activate. More activator?
It's the no more glue, more activator.
I know, but I think I put a bit too much
No.
in.
You need to put more in. It's just glue you've got.
I think that's enough. Yeah, you're right. Actually, it's still kind of glue. Where's the oh right.
Get mixing.
No, that's still not right. Yeah, Mum, I'm just gonna say if we do add a bit too much glue and the activator's all gone, there is shaving foam. There is some in the kitchen, I know.
Yeah, but that only works if you can get it
Oh, I mean in the
turning into slime.
I need a little bit more red in this.
Don't worry about that, just make slime now.
It's got like dark blue now. Yours is really dark. I know. It looks
No, more activator.
one. More activator. Right. I feel like this isn't going to turn out as much slime.
Right, yeah. I think you've done it.
Some more mixing. It's kind of activated. Although it isn't always activated, you sometimes have to mix quite a lot. It's very watering. I got all of mine. About that. Wow. Not all of that. Bit better.
We might have to get back to the drawing board on this slime.
Pardon?
We might have to get back to the drawing board. Let's have a look. What's it like? Give it a mix.
So far.
It feels like. Is yours a bit runny?
Yeah. Oh, I know this isn't that powerful. Like at all. I need some more. Actually, one more drop of this. Yeah.
No. We'll make some more after.
Okay. Wait. How much activator is there? Not much. That's my
Okay, so in conclusion, this experiment hasn't seemed to have worked. We need to get more different activator, maybe.
Look at that colour.
In the bowl. So, what do you want to say about this slime experiment?
It hasn't quite worked out, but I think we're doing good. Well, we don't know yet.
So do you want to say bye for now and we'll try again later?
Okay, bye.